Hello everyone, welcome to Summon Tools. In front of us is the famous Australian make concrete grinders. It's grind the concrete on the level. When the concrete is not level, gap is pop up, and this is the machine to make it level. For instead of someone kicking onto the concrete on the ground and fall over. And this machine is quite expensive, and they are trying to do today is try to find out what is not turning and it's not working. Put on the power point, and try to push it up that way, lift up a little bit, and try to turn the switch. And even the side switch, nothing. Okay, no, nothing. Take the power loose here and try to see what's wrong with this one, and try to see if the motor working good or maybe the capacitor in here blow. So this is what we have to do today. So the switch is faulty, so what I do is try to get them out and try to get another one. This one only 2 wires stop start control through the box here, but forget about it. We get the power in. Okay, I must say the switch here too. Press on reset switch. I don't know why the shaking. Okay, now we got the part work, and now we try to repair the switch later and order the new switch for stop. And this one is the key. Try to undo this one, see why it's vibration like this. It shouldn't be like this, okay? It shouldn't be like this. We got our jumper bolt remover, but this one normally they go opposite direction. Let's try. I need 2 hands. You see that? So it's shaking. That's why when the motor is spinning and it shakes a lot. Let's go with something that I can hold in there, or something like that. Whatever it is, you name it, okay? This one got the same direction. They are normal bolt thread. So go in, and you see the key is here. Why this one wobbling? See? Okay, we take this one off and see why it's wobbling. Okay, we take this one off. Okay, the Allen key, no missing one. And here the result. If we can go, see this one broken, see, broken snap. And if we can get one put in, it'll be alright. But the worst thing is this one in the middle. See, they're wobbling here. They're getting too soft. We may cut and get another rubber. Make another rubber. See, this rubber too soft and almost broken out. See, that's why it's vibration. We cut the rubber. I draw a shape and make the rubber thicker. When I press it down, it got a bit of pressure. And whenever this one gone, we make this one go thicker and thicker. And this will be last longer than this shit one here. They're making this one working industrial, but shit, so light. Okay, so light, so not heavy enough, so we have to do this one better rubber. So that's why it's wobbling. Did you think it looks sexy? I think so too. Anyway, okay, we make the hole in the middle bigger. Go like this and push the oven down, and got a washer on the top, and we are bingos. Yeah. See, make it thicker. When you put this cover on, it will be thicker and better. Okay, we got all there, right that, and we try to put this one on and try to make a spin. See how good. So hopefully it's strong enough to not vibration no more. Oh shit, man, wrong direction. So make sure it's on the groups like a so nothing else, no different at the plate, have to be on the group itself. And okay, we screw them on. Very strong. Okay, now we put this one down. Okay, we stand them up and we testing. Okay. Okay, that's how we test our machine. Okay. The important is the vibration now. Okay, now we turn them on. Beautiful. You see, as you put down. Okay, that's down. Really awesome. And it's 100% work. Okay. Yeah, that little rubber would do the tricks, okay? And they don't worry about this one. I just ring them. They don't worry about that switch, so don't worry. As long as they still got the on and off switch and secure switch here for circuit breaker, and they be alright. So they don't worry about that switch. Forget about it. And yeah, we started up. And if you don't see any vibration, it's good news. Okay, let's start it up. And see the vibration. It got. Start it up. See? Beautiful. That's what we need. We don't need wobbling and vibration, okay? And then put down. Beautiful. It really do the job. And that's how it's set down. See when it's set down, and when you put the tilt this one down and it go down level and put down on the floor and it's sending. So we put everything back. When you fix the electrical, when something like this, you have to prepare. But sometimes that's what they want, just want to make the blade stop wobbling, that's all. And they don't want to fix all this because they want to get instant noodle fix. So up to them. So I have nothing to do. All I do is just fix more what I have to do there, do my jobs, and I'm happy to let them go, man. Okay, thanks for watching Simon 2. This is how Simon fixed the floor concrete grinders or Shaolin makes. But if you have one like this, you know what you do. If the motor play up, you can buy one motor put on. Anyway, it should work. And the most expensive is the frames to holding the motor.